Hello again. So I just unboxed this kit for replacing the V7 handheld battery. Right now, so I was using this, trying to use it one day, and it was fully charged. I pulled the trigger, and then it was dead. And so that's how I knew the battery needed replacing. So another thing is this vacuum would go into this weird cycle of turning on and off automatically by itself, and it turned out the filter needed to be cleaned, and so for some reason the filter gets clogged very often. So it's nice that with this kit they're giving me 3 new filters, or buying, whatever. So I'm gonna replace this. I can do that right now. It's pretty easy. I just pull it vertically out of there, and just have to open this package. It seems pretty tight. I'm gonna use the cracker knife to help me. Alright. Carefully. There we go. Nice. Looks very clean. And the seal looks very clean. Versus this old one here. It's very dirty. I'm sure it'll get very dirty very fast. So in it goes. Press down and it just seals tightly there. Alright, so next there's 3 screws you have to remove. 1 behind here and 2 here. So I'm going to do that now with the screwdriver that was included with this kit. Okay. Hopefully my volume of my voice is alright. I'm sitting right beside the phone. Hopefully this is the microphone on this end. Okay, so I'll just remove this attachment so I can stand it up easily. Okay, loosening the screw. There, it's loosened. Let's see how it looks. Looks like the screw head's alright. It's not stripped or anything. Gonna loosen the right one on the bottom. There, the right one's done. I'm doing the left one now. Oh my gosh. It doesn't sit on its head very well. It's very wobbly. Alright. Looks like the left one is out, I guess, and then you just pull it straight up and out it comes. So then you just have to get these 2 screws out of there. Just dump it like that. Okay, I'm just gonna check the heads of them, make sure they're not stripped. I could use the new ones, but if the old ones still look good, I'll just put them back in. Yeah, so the screw heads of the old ones still look good, so I'm just gonna reuse them. I do have the new ones, but no use in throwing out the old ones if they're still good. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the battery, the new one and the old one side by side here. What I notice is the color's different, so that's gonna look kind of funny, but other than that, the two look almost identical. You can see some differences here in the neck. Hopefully that doesn't cause any issues. The new one has a skinnier neck than the old one, but these other areas here look pretty similar. And of course the sticker on the bottom would differ, since this is a different brand than the original Dyson battery. And just flip this over so the labels are facing the same way. Okay. Alright, just gonna put it in now. They probably made the neck different because maybe different models of the handhelds have different necks, and so they probably chose a design that worked for all of them. Anyway, I'm just gonna put it back in here just like this. The new one, that is. And push. Yeah, so you just push it in until it clicks, and then just put the screws back in. Oh, before you put the screws in, you want to just pull the trigger and make sure the vacuum runs. It definitely ran. So it ran. There's some dust came out the back here, but it did run. Okay, there. Yeah. So it is running. Okay, so I'm going to put the screws in now. Okay, so that's the right, this one's the left one. All the screws are identical, so it doesn't matter which one you took out from the back top. They should all fit in whatever position you put them in. Okay, so when you tighten, don't over tighten, just till it's in. Yeah, I think that's good enough, because it's not like it's gonna unscrew itself. Okay, once it feels tight, then just stop. There. So 2 bottom ones are in. Now I'm just gonna put the one in the top back here. There, done. That was easy. So you can see the slight color difference in the handle and the battery, but I'm happy to just have a working battery. So, and I don't really pay much attention to that sort of thing. That's good for me. I'm just putting the brush back in, and we're good. I don't know if this I actually never taken this part out before. Maybe this would fit here. Let me give it a try. Let's see if this comes. Oh, let me see if this comes off, or how it comes off. Oh, I actually don't know how that comes off. But it looks like if I did get it off, I can put this filter in. Let's see. I'll give it a try. Let's see if it turns. Oops. Oh yeah. Looks like it might turn. Oh, let me have a look here. Okay, so that was on there. I think you turn it to get it off. Oh, I keep pulling the trigger. Okay, let me try it. Okay, maybe I'll Google it and then I'll find out how to do that and then I'll share it with you. Okay, I'll stop the video for now. Okay, I'm back. I just watched the video on YouTube that shows a guy prying off the back of this with a butter knife. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how this goes. You have to be careful because oops, sorry. So behind here, this cover is actually Dyson doesn't recommend that you remove or replace this filter because it actually is not really needed. Back here are the electronics that make the vacuum work. So if you damaged it, then you could make your vacuum not work anymore. I'm gonna try it and just be really careful. And if it's too hard, then I might just leave it. So here we go. And also, because I just put the new battery in and it has power, you also don't want the blade touching the electronics because you might short something or you might even give yourself a shock. So if you don't want to replace this rear filter, you really don't have to. From the looks of it, it doesn't have much to do with the cleaning. I mean, the air does come out this way after it runs through this first filter, I think. But the guy that removed his filter, it actually didn't look dirty at all. So it probably doesn't need to be replaced at all. So actually, the way this is going, it doesn't seem like it's easy. I feel like I'm gonna like break the plastic by trying to pry it, so I don't know. I'm not gonna replace the filter. The new filter looks cool. Like it has this sort of crinkly filter stuff in there, but I'm not feeling like I want to take the risk of replacing this filter back here. So if you are, then just search for replacing the rear filter of your Dyson V7 and a video should come up to show you how to do that. I'm not up for possibly breaking this and needing to look for a way to fix it. I'd rather just be happy with what I have right now, which is a new filter right here and a new battery. So, and it's working, as you can see. So that's all I wanted to do today. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Please hit the thumbs up and leave a comment. Have a great day. Bye.